Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Supply questions get easy fast when you track the graph shift first, because one move tells you exactly what happens to equilibrium price and quantity. Start with the change itself. A decrease in supply means sellers offer less at every price, so the supply curve shifts left, and that is the whole setup. Now find the new intersection with demand unchanged. A leftward supply shift creates more scarcity, so buyers compete harder and the equilibrium price moves upward. At that higher price, the new equilibrium also happens at a smaller amount traded, so equilibrium quantity drops. That locks in option B. Well done, option B. Scan now. Watch signs, avoid rush. Trust given changes, then check each step, so price rises while quantity falls.